Hello fellow travelers and welcome back to our Big's Adventure. My name is Cynthia and this is part 2 of our summer salad series. That's right, I want you to up your side dish game this year when it comes to our summer barbecues and our potluck dinners. Everything is finally opening back up and I want you to be able to bring the freshest salads that anyone's seen all year. So let's press the like button and get to work. This recipe is super simple. I have a bowl of prepared greens here. This is romaine lettuce and spinach. And then I have my mandarin oranges that I have drained. Easy peasy. Cut strawberries. Blueberries. Red onion. And feta. Mix that all up. And you're done. Literally 30 seconds to make the whole salad. The longest part was slicing the strawberries. The dressing for this recipe is super simple. All you need is some lemon juice, olive oil, sugar, salt, Dijon mustard, and poppy seeds. So I'm gonna make the dressing this time in a mason jar. You can feel free to make it with a whisk in a bowl or however you wanna do it. You can substitute out lime juice for lemon juice. If you don't want to use sugar, you could always use some kind of keto sweetener, monk fruit, something. Let's give this a shake, shake, shake. Always, I would try to prefer to use fresh lemon juice, but I'm actually making extra of this dressing. I'm gonna marinate my chicken for this salad in the same dressing because we did that last time and it was super delicious. I need some poppy seeds. Did I mention how expensive these were at Walmart? Holy cradola. My goal is to use them all up by the end of summer. Some salt, nice pinch of salt. We like Dijon mustard in our house a lot. So when it calls for 1 tablespoon, I usually put 2, and if it calls for 2, I put whatever I feel is right in there. Now sugar. This is raw organic sugar from Aldi. Did you know that the lids to the mayonnaise and peanut butter jars at Aldi fit on a mason jar? I'm gonna need to give this a little taste test. And feel free to measure as you go along in your recipe, but I am kind of famous for not measuring anything. There we go, just right. Now, one of the best things about this recipe is the candied pecans. Don't miss out on candying those pecans because they are phenomenal little nuggets of crunch and sweetness in your salad. Let's get cracking on those sugared pecans. In my cast iron skillet here, I have on medium heat and I'm gonna add some sugar. There's no water or butter to this recipe. It's literally just sugar and pecans. My pecans here from Aldi, of course, and we're gonna wait for the sugar to melt just a little bit. People are gonna think that you fussed and you spent all day in the kitchen making those candied pecans, but you and I are gonna know a little secret. You didn't. The sugar's starting to melt. Throw in the pecans. Now we're gonna let these cool and I'm gonna eat some lunch. Now that the pecans are done, I'm just gonna give them a rough chop with a big knife. That looks pretty good. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle some on each of the salads. The candied pecans are amazing. They're kind of what sets this salad apart from a regular salad. Doesn't that look delicious? Yum, yum. Mm-mm. That looks really good. Is that all the chicken? Yep. It looks really good. I'm gonna have turkey with mine. At the center of attention.
Sorry about that.
As part of this series, I'm checking in with you on day 2 to let you know how it goes for leftovers with this salad. I was sitting here in the beautiful sunshine, eating my lunch, and realized that I forgot to film that part. I'm gonna recommend that, oh, it's so good. I'm gonna recommend that you dress this salad when it's time to eat it and not in advance, because it can make the greens a little bit soggy on day 2. Mr. Biggs requested that we dress his salad, put it on the side, so that's what I did for him. The sugared pecans are phenomenal. The second day when you eat this salad, it is really a crowd pleaser. Highly recommend that you try it. And sorry you didn't get a shot of it on day 2 because I ate all of mine. It was really, really good. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this 6-part series. This was salad number 2. I will link the playlist here somewhere in the eye in the sky. All of my recipes are going to be gluten-free or naturally gluten-free during this series. Super healthy, loaded with veggies and fresh fruits and nuts. Thank you again for watching, and remember everybody, life is an adventure. Enjoy your journey. Bye-bye.